Would you like plants to be an inspiration source to make your wire jewelries? Well, yes. In today's tutorial, we are going to inspire green leaves that are so beautiful, and we are going to make wire earrings out of them. All we need is, of course, the wire of about 1 millimeter in diameter and also 0.4 or 0.5 for the weaving parts, main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and also some little beads. First, pick up your 1 millimeter wire and start making a curve with your round nose pliers. So, at the start point, and with your round nose pliers, make a curve just like this. And now, at the top, curved, so keep it again with your round nose pliers or chain nose pliers and make another curve with your thumb. And again, here somewhere at the middle, make another bend and another curve. You could squeeze this part and push it a little to be at the middle. And now we continue making a curve at the top with thumb, and then put your round nose pliers and wrap the wire all around to achieve something like a tie. Then cut this wire out in about 4 centimeters. Again, put your round nose pliers and insert the wire in and pull the wire and make a tie here, so that this tie would keep these two parts and attach them together. Now, with your round nose pliers, make another wrap, and to make a very little wire coil here, push it tight and do that at least for 3 times. At the end, we are going to squeeze these little wire wrapping parts and to make them attached together. Now this is the time to do some refine and additions. So I would form this main structure to be like this, and to curve these two parts to be more symmetrical. This is more like a leaf, and that's perfect. At this step, we are going to hammer these parts with our heart hammer. Also, this is your choice. You could remain it as it is and unhammered, or you could use your heart hammer and push it so that it would be flattened a little, just like this, and some textures on the surface. And this is the time to add the beads. So we are going to use our thinner wire of about 0.4 or 0.5 and wrap this thinner wire at the middle part by making a U shape and bend it. Then make a tie with your round nose pliers and push it tight and wrap it for about 2 or 3 times. Then cut this wire at about 10 centimeters. And insert it just like this. And we are going to add the beads in and insert the beads one after the other, and in between we are going to make a wire wrap all around this main part. We insert the wire and would wrap it all around this main part to have a little joint here. You could use your round nose pliers to pull it and also make this wire wrapped for about 2 times, and then squeeze these little wire coilings and here again we are going to insert one of the other beads in and repeat the same for this one. We continue this for 3 beads, and then when we get to the bottom again we insert another bead and we would place it somewhere in between. And again we are going to wrap the thinner wire all around this middle part, and we would wrap it again, and we would add another bead in between in this spare place. This is the result till now, and this is the time to add the wire hook to this decorative part. And there would be the beautiful wire earring that we had made with plant leaf as the inspiration resource. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.